Navigation tools. Photoshop allows you to modify view of an image using the navigation tools. Let's learn about them. Hand tool. Hand tool allows you to scroll the image on the canvas. Holding down the spacebar key also helps to achieve the same result. By double-clicking the hand tool icon in the Tools panel, the image will fit to the screen. It is useful when you are zoomed in the image and working with lasso tool for perfect selection. Rotate View tool. Rotate View tool has a keyboard shortcut R. It rotates the whole canvas with the image and not just the image. A compass appears in the center. As soon as you click on the Rotate View tool, the mouse pointer changes into Rotate View icon. You can click and drag to rotate the canvas clockwise or anti-clockwise. A red marker at the top of the compass points to the top of the image. Zoom tool. Zoom tool allows you to zoom into certain areas to get a closer view of the image. Choose View, Zoom in or View, Zoom out from the application bar. To use the keyboard shortcut, hold Ctrl and press plus to zoom in, and hold Ctrl and press minus to zoom out.